Hello, my name is Katrin Seidler. I work at K.I.T Group as an account director as well as head of division conference management. One of the most important points is staff planning. We should not forget that especially the moderators and speakers must be looked after very intensively, both in the run-up and at the conference. Participants also have technical problems and need help in the use of the platform. Chat rooms and Q&A areas require very skilled staff and moderators. Basically, staff planning for a hybrid conference means double planning and two complete teams. Classic on-site staff planning for the face-to-face conference and then also the complete supervision of the online speakers and the supervision of the digital chat rooms as well as the Q&A areas. It is a big challenge, both financially and in terms of staff planning, to cope with the increased personnel requirements for a hybrid conference.